Hi, have you ever encountered a scenario where you get some samples, try it out in your lab for a machine vision solution, it works great, but when you take it on a production line, it just doesn't meet the requirements or the accuracy requirements that you were looking for? Hi, my name is Raghava Kashyapa. I'm the CEO of Qualitas Technologies. And in this video, I'm going to give you a few tips where you can actually take your lab results and setup and achieve the same kind of accuracies and consistencies in your production line as well. Probably the mistake one would be making is trying to engineer the entire solution in your lab and trying to port that on the production line. So the thing to keep in mind is just focus on image acquisition. So in most machine vision solutions, image acquisition is probably 80% of the solution right then and there. So if you have the right setup and the right focus and the right design for your image acquisition to make sure that all the features that you're trying to inspect as part of your vision solution is sufficiently imaged with the right contrast, then I think 80% of your job is done. So focus on purely image acquisition when you perform your lab setup. So when you take it on the production line, see if you can iterate over the setup to achieve consistent results just like you had in your lab. Then jump and move into your image processing. And a couple of reasons why you're not getting consistent image acquisition quality is probably lighting. Are you covering all the scenarios, the ambient lighting conditions during the day, during the night, during different working shifts for different variants? So having enough external illumination as part of your vision solution that overpowers any ambient interference is probably what would be missing if lighting is the challenge. So make sure that you have sufficient lighting to cover all the different scenarios. The second reason is inconsistency of trigger. So if you have moving parts in your assembly line, you want to make sure that you're triggering your parts consistently so that there is very little movement within each trigger. So to ensure that, you need to make sure the right triggering mechanism is being applied so that your image consistency is maintained. And that can go a long way in ensuring that your performance in your results can also be maintained. So the next time you try things out in your lab environment, make sure that you keep these things in mind. Focus on image acquisition, focusing on lighting, and focus on your triggering to ensure that you get the best quality images. And the rest is just 20% of the work. The image processing will be a breeze. So hope this video is useful and thank you for watching. Have a great day.